My name is Brian Germain. I'm the Senior Superintendent with the Jackson Contractor Group. We're building a hotel up here at a mountain resort here in northern Idaho. Super tight site. Jackson currently owns a much smaller Potain self-erector, and we were hoping to be able to utilize that, but it was way out of capacity for the size of the project, and of course also the picks that we were going to be making on this one. We originally started with a smaller Potain, the HUP 4030, and that was set up over here on the east side of the project, and that handled the majority of the prefabricated wall panel erection. Not all of it, but the majority of it. Our management has been really kind of kicking the idea around and pushing towards buying a newer, larger crane for some time. And this project really became, the trigger to do it. It kind of justified it for us. We were kind of looking through a number of different cranes and really settled in on this T85. And Rocky Mountain Crane was really, really helpful in helping us kind of select the right crane, kind of trying to find the Swiss Army knife, so to speak, of cranes for the different project types that we do and the size and scale of the work that this company does. This crane we did purchase. We purchased it through Rocky Mountain Crane, which was a really, really good experience. One of our biggest concerns was, does Jackson have the capacity to really train a set of guys, one that will stick around, because guys, we do have turnover from time to time, but also do we have the right guys that are willing to go and travel with this crane all over, set up, tear down, and transport the crane. And really at the end of the day, we decided we did not have those resources. And that, that caused us to hesitate a little bit on the purchase of the crane. But in our conversations with RMC, they offered up to us that, hey, this is a service that they provide to go and handle all that. And so this crane originally, RMC came up and set it up over on the west side, the far side of the building there. Here now we're getting ready for the new expansion to this other building. And so this morning, RMC showed up, broke the crane all down, moved it over, and here we are at just after 4 o'clock. Crane set up and ready to go for the next phase of this job. My advice to anybody is if you're looking to buy a crane, don't let the erection, tear down, and transportation cause you any concern, because Rocky Mountain Crane is totally taking care of that for us, and it's as simple as a phone call. Simple as a phone call.